In this video, I want to show you how you can trade in TradingView. Now this is really easy, guys. You want to open up the super charts, and once you're inside of here, you want to just connect your broker. So drag on this gray line here, pull it up, and let me just go out of the paper trading. So you should be able on the trading panel to see the brokers, connect yours, or you can do paper trading. Then once you're here, we want to look for whichever one we want to trade. So click up here and you can filter here if you want to filter by stocks or something. Let's just say Apple. And then what you can do is you can buy and sell here. So if you press buy, you will open up the buy menu. You'll be able to do a market, a limit, and a stop. Now the market one will basically just be that you buy at the current price. A limit order means you'll buy it at a specific price. So you can put your limit order that you want to buy it once it reaches 215. So you can just type that in. 215 means once the price hits here, it's automatically gonna buy. You can also do sell. Once it reaches that price, it's automatically gonna sell. Then you can make a take profit and a stop loss if you want to. And you can see here that there's some visual ones. So you can change them here if you want to, or you can type it in here. So what this means is right now, once the price hits to 15.51, it's gonna make my buy order, and if it reaches to 37.24, it's gonna take the profit. If it reaches 186.87, it's gonna stop it. So that is basically how it works. Then just press buy, and it's the exact same for sell, just obviously the other direction. Now I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.